Hello everyone. So I'm back and today I'll be showing you all how I install my crochet braids. So this is the hair that I'm using, the Freetress bulk Bohemian braid, and this is what it looks like. So basically what you do is you take the hair like this and you take the silver part off and you cut it in half. Once you cut it in half, it'll, look like this. Then once you separate, it'll be like this or whatever. And this is how I do it. I don't split it more than once. I just take the hair, pull it apart, and I get these two pieces. So this is how I braided my hair. There's two braids and I connected them. Now I'll show you the back. Now I want to be able to pull my hair up into a ponytail, so I started a braid here and here, and it's going all the way around to the back, which is where you see the hair, so I can pull it up. And now I'm going to start with this big braid in the back and show you how I do it. So you take the hair like this and use your 2 fingers. You're going to need the crochet needle. What you're going to do is you're going to take the hair, put it under the braid, and have it up like this. Then you take the hair and put it on that way, close it, pull it through. And I'm going to show you that right now. So you take it through like this. Take the hair, slide it on, close it, pull it through, and you have 2 pieces like this. Take it off and you'll be left with a little loop. You take the loop like this, take the hair, go in, twist, go back again, and then pull. And it's in there, just like that. I'll show you one closer up. Take another piece of hair. Make sure it's even. Slide it through. Put the hair on. Close it. Pull it through. Take it off. You have to, maybe a little better this way. You have the loop right here, and this is the hair. You take this piece of hair and put it through the loop like that. Then you twist, put it back through. And that's all I do. I let it go and I pull it to where it's tight. And then I take this and I separate it like that, and it's in. Now for the top, my needle is too thick, so I use the braiding, the bead thingy. So with this one, you just take it through like this, and it's gonna be out. I hope you can see. And I'm gonna take, I'm sorry, I have my hair on this little table right here. You take a piece like this, and you just like twist it, and then you slide it through here like that. Kind of the same concept. And you just pull it down. and it's gonna pop out like that. And once that happens, you just take it out. A piece of hair got snagged on there. So you just take that piece. You're gonna do the same thing. Here's the loop. Put it through, twist, come back, twist, do it again, and it's in. So I'm gonna do some more and I'll come back with the top for you guys. Hey, so I'm back and this is all that I've done so far. I just have this little piece left, which y'all see. The side, and it has the layer effect. I haven't even cut it. This is what I'm working with. So I like the way this looks, so I'm gonna leave some of my braids out, but I'm gonna show you how to how I use this for the top part. I learned how to properly use a latch hook needle because I wasn't doing it right. Yeah, you can do it like that for the bigger braids because it's quicker. But once you get to the top, you want to take the hook and put the hook under the braid. Then you flip it like this. And once you do that, you get your hair. Make sure it's even. Put it between your two fingers, like that. And hook it on. You hook it onto the hair. Close it like that, then pull the hair through. You have your two pieces. Take it off. You're gonna take your loop, put the hair through, twist, put the hair through, twist, and you can put it through again and pull it down. Then take the two pieces, pull it, and let it go. And I'm gonna keep doing that until it gets full enough to where I like it. Oh, and one thing I recommend doing, when you get a lot of videos, they tell you when you get to the top to put braids to cover the whole thing. Like if you do that, like you're gonna be walking around looking like you got a bad wig on your head. You don't want too much hair at the top. That's why my hair looks more natural. It's not like all huge, which is what I would have gotten if I wouldn't have thinned it out. If you can see right here, I have like, I spaced it out and it still blends and looks natural. But I'm gonna keep doing this so you can just watch. Probably should have clipped my hair out the way. I didn't like that curl. So I think I might leave my hair like this. I like this look. And that is it. Thank you all for watching. I'll post pictures on my Instagram account, so follow me on there if you aren't doing so already. And that is it. I may go and cut some of the pieces that are out, but right now I like the way it looks. It's not too bad, and I love the length. So I'll show you again. See, like pieces like this, I'll go back and cut. And that is it. So bye. I hope y'all like this little style and try it out for yourself, because it is the bomb. All right, bye.